really like this move. It's got some nice progressional things for the guy and for the lady. We start off with one hand, 1, 2, 3, bring it to your side, 5 down, 6 and 7 up. So it's like a little weird turn. Then the guy will go 1, 2, 3, bring it all the way to your shoulder. Now turn towards your left and lower the right hand, 5, 6, 7. A little hook here, 1, 2, 3, just for styling. Then a close body lead with a half a turn. I really like this progression turn as well. 1, 2, and 3. You want to pop both hands out. 5, 6, and 7. Now for the ladies progressional, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and switch. One more time, 1, 2, open up here and progress the lady, and you can move on to the other side. Here we do a cross body lead. By 5, you reach out for the shoulder and you do with a half a turn. This I've done before, but in this case, we do for the guy a double turn before he aims at the lady. We go for a 360. Waha. Ask for the lady's hand as she turns. Then guys going 1, 2, 3. Fold behind 5, 6, 7. Then 1, 2, 3. Here comes a little mess of hands, but don't lose connection. 5, 6, and 7. Now in this mess, I know you might feel uncomfortable, but it's going to get untangled if you turn towards the left, guys. 1, 2, 3, and you see now you've got all this freedom. Keep on pulling the lady, throw the right hand. 5, 6, and 7. Rewind that, watch it again, and I'm sorry for the background noise, guys. And 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, under on 7. Then 1, 2, 3. You can give a double there if you like. Switch to the right hand. And 5, 6, third turn together. And finish off with a cross body lead, or a turn, or a hand over, and you know the